First, go to WPCodeQuill.com and log in to your account. After logging in, find the product you want to buy and click on it. On the product page, choose your license, regular or lifetime, and then click the Buy Now button. If this is your first time buying, you'll need to complete your billing details. Fill out your name, address, email and phone number, then save your information. Next, choose your payment method. If your currency is set to Indian rupee, select Razorpay. If your currency is US dollar, select PayPal. You can also change your currency anytime from the home page or the product page. If you have a coupon code, enter it now and apply it. If it's successful, the discount will appear on your order. After that, recheck your selected payment method, enter your mobile number and click Place Order. Complete the payment and you'll be redirected to the Thank You page. Wait a few minutes for your order to be verified. Once it's complete, you'll be able to download your product. To download, click your profile icon. Go to Order History and you will find your order details, license key, invoice and download link. Or you can visit the Download section to download your purchased product directly. That's it. Your product is ready to use.